Hello and welcome to Cherry Lab. I'm sure most of you out there have already used the common presentation software, Powerpoint. In our PowerPoint shortcut series, we'll show you how you can avoid annoying clicking around during the creation of a presentation as well as during the presentation itself. Let's go! We are already in PowerPoint and can create a new slide after the current one with Control-M. To make it really pop, we can make the text here bold. Control-B. Or better yet, bold and italic. Control-I. A little tip, with Control-G, you can group single image elements and then grab them together. With Control-D, you can duplicate them, or with Control-Shift-Drag, you can copy the selected element and move it to its destination instantly. So we've all created our absolutely brilliant, phenomenal presentation, and cleverly as well using handy shortcuts, and are now presenting it top motivated to the board. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. We start our screen presentation casually with F5 or immediately from a certain slide with Shift F5. Got a question about a certain slide? Slide number plus Enter saves us from tedious scrolling. Don't know where you were before? No problem. Press Ctrl-S and quickly jump to a specific slide via the window that pops up. The pen tool, Ctrl-P, or the marker, Ctrl-M, are always handy. You can use them to draw around in your presentation and delete them again with E. Worst case scenario. To take revenge, the misunderstood trainee put a super embarrassing vacation photo of you into the presentation. Quickly pull the emergency brake and use B to hide the presentation. So that's it for our PowerPoint episode with shortcuts that will surely help you master any presentation with confidence. If you liked the video, as always, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Rock on!